guys, what's up? It's Elena. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. Just a really quick kind of makeup tutorial on how I get ready every day. I'm going to be going to Santa Barbara today with my husband, and my dog, and my best friend. Socially distancing, of course. And yeah, here are some products that I love to use. This is what is in my makeup kit right now. It switches all the time, but these are the things that I'm using now that I love. So if you guys want to find out how to get not this look, then stay tuned. Okay, first I'm going to be grabbing my Beauty Counter Countermatch Toner. Ooh, I was not expecting it to shoot out on me like that. This is what I start out on my skin with every day. It's a beautiful toner, all natural products, because you know that I love an all natural skincare. As you can see, I'm really breaking out. That already kind of brightened me up. Next thing that I'm going to be using is my Beauty Counter Countermatch Intense Moisture Serum. My skin is super dry, especially with traveling. I feel like the airplane, different climates, everything kind of changes my skin. So serum all over. And last thing that I'm going to be using is my Countermatch Adaptive Moisture Lotion. Just a few pumps and on top. I know that I've said this before, but I really have noticed such a big difference in my skin since I started using this. I had a girlfriend that kept posting like, oh, no makeup Mondays, I do Beauty Counter, all of her skincare, and her skin looks so good. So I also started to do it, and now I feel like I've noticed a difference in my skin too. And I'll link Beauty Counter down below so you guys can check it out, especially if you're having trouble with your skin these days. This is a really great option for all natural skincare, and it actually works. I mean, you can already see my skin looks so much better. I've relocated houses. I'm actually at my other best friend's house now. So that's why my backgrounds have just been changing, because I'm just trying to find little corners in everyone's house to get ready in. So first thing that I'm going to be doing is my brows. This is my Kat Von D. I think this color is Walnut. This is the Kat Von D Brow Powder. I'm so excited to go to Santa Barbara today. I've never been. Should be fun. I really need to do my eyebrows. I'm looking very caveman-like. And because this is how I do my own makeup, this brush is not ideal for the best brow. But on myself, it's pretty quick, it's easy. Because I want my makeup to stay all day, I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer. I've been using this primer for so many years. It really is just so great. It makes your shadows stay on all day. Sometimes when I'm really lazy, I don't use a base and my shadow doesn't last. And then when I use a base, my shadow lasts. I'm like, oh wow, that works. And a little bit of this goes a long way. So just a few little strokes. For my eyes today, I'm going to be using the Makeup by Mario palette. I've used this so many times. I just love this palette so much. It's so good, especially for starting off, because it has all of the browns that you want to use. So I'm going to be using shade number 4, which is a light tan kind of color. And I'm just going to go right in my crease. Then I'm going to take shade number 3, which is a light peach, and just kind of soften that a little bit. I love an everyday coppery kind of eye, so what I'm going to be using is my Pixi Endless Shade Stick. This one is called Copper Glaze. And I'm going to just use this all over my lid. Let me zoom you guys in so you can actually see how pretty this is. You kind of just want to get right into the crease. And I'm going to go under my eyes, a little bit in my waterline too. Okay, with my little brush, I'm going to grab the shiny palette in the Makeup by Mario, the coppery color that kind of matches this. I'm going to go right underneath my eyes. And I'm going to take a puffier brush and go right on top. Kind of blend that coppery color all in. Okay, now with that same brush, I'm going to grab the Makeup by Mario matte palette. This one again, and I'm just going to grab a darker shade. This is shade number 8, and put this right in the crease. Okay, next I'm going to take my Pat McGrath liner. Because this is a daytime look, I'm actually gonna go over this with brown. This better be focusing, because I'm focusing, so I feel like my camera should also be focusing. See guys, look, I'm a makeup artist, and look at that. because I'm not home and I don't have all of my things and I don't have my mirror, so I can't pull my liner. So I have to just do it this way. I'm gonna grab that little brush that I used before. I'm gonna take the dark brown. I'm just gonna go over this. So it's like this nice kind of soft brown. All right, we can zoom back out. I'm gonna take the coppery color again with my little brush. What a daytime look, huh? Okay, mascara, Pixi. What's also crazy is that I can't believe Thanksgiving passed and now it's going to be Christmas. Where did this year go? Does anybody know where it went? Because I feel like it flew by, but also has been like the longest year of my entire life. We're actually not gonna go back to New Jersey until like December 20th, just because I don't have any work right now. I figured we might as well visit some family on the West Coast and stay warm. All right, I'm gonna do some foundation. I'm gonna use my Pacifica foundation. I always use this foundation just because I love it so much. I like to go around my lips, but not on the center of them. I'm gonna need way more foundation today. The best part about being in California is that I've literally tried to do videos in front of my window and it's just like an ugly background of like a parking lot and it's always gloomy. And here I have these beautiful trees, the sun is hitting it, the perfect spot. I think doing a get ready with me is actually my favorite thing. One, because getting ready like actually is my favorite thing. I'm kind of bummed these days because I don't really have anywhere to get ready to go to. So most of the time I'm just putting on makeup and then going to bed. But today I'm actually doing something. I'm gonna use my Pat McGrath concealer. I know I use this concealer all the time, but honestly, it's so good. Ugh, my jeans are so tight. This is really uncomfortable.
Food's ready.
Thank you.
You're not even gonna eat it, are you?
I am gonna eat it. I'm almost ready.
Okay. It's gonna be cold though.
No, babe, no it's not. You eat cold breakfast every day.
We're not talking about me eating breakfast. I already ate mine.
Oh, okay. You wanna just bring it to me then? I'll just eat it here.
Are you gonna eat it though?
I'm gonna eat it right now. My husband made me breakfast and now it's gonna get cold and I feel bad, so I'm gonna take a break with my concealer on and eat breakfast.
We don't have a serving tray.
Thank you. I'll be right back. That was a delicious breakfast sandwich. He's great at breakfast. I feel like men are so good at breakfast. I don't know why. All right, I was doing my nose contour. Now that my concealer... Thank you. Did I have food in my face? I did?
There's hot sauce. A little bit.
He really is great. Bronzer, and because this is just me doing my makeup, like I don't need to do a full contour. I'm gonna use Hoola Caramel. I love the caramel color, it's so good. Oh my God, what did I just do? I used to wear Hoola literally all over my face, like underneath my eyes, in here, everywhere. I was obsessed. Just like one big orange face. Something looks empty. I don't know what it is. Maybe because I have no bottom mascara on. You know what else happens to me? I'm so used to being self-tanned, and then when my tan fades, I feel like my whole face changes. And like I feel like I look puffier. Need a little bit more of a nose contour. Just gonna use some bronzer around my lips just to feather it out. I'm telling you, it makes a difference. Okay, I'm gonna do that copper color again under my eyes and my waterline. Look how pretty this looks. That color is so sick in the waterline. I'm gonna use my favorite setting powder, the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder. I'm gonna need a new one of this. This is medium, 140. Do some brow gel. I cannot believe when I was younger what my eyebrows looked like. I need to find a photo. They literally were like the tiniest little eyebrows. I wanted to be Pam Anderson and just have like, I have food in my teeth, I'm sorry. Anyway, my eyebrows were so skinny. I wanted to be Pam Anderson. I would tweeze all of this out and it was just like this, like a C on top of my eye. So ugly. Oh, God. Blush, Milk Makeup in Work. I need bottom mascara so bad. Also, I feel like copper looks good on everybody. I like honestly have put it on every single one of my clients and it's looked good. Some of my clients hate copper and they know the second that I pull it out, they're like, anything but copper. I still always try and convince them to put it on because I love it so much. Okay, for my lipstick, I'm gonna use my Maybelline pencil. I always use this color. For lipstick, I'm gonna be using Orgasm by NARS. I love this color. I wore this color at my wedding. My last little touch, I'm gonna grab this like light shimmery color and pop it right in the center. My last step is lip gloss. This is Pixi by Petra. This color is Sweet Nectar. Smells so good too. Okay guys, I am all ready to go. See if I can do a beret today. Is this dusty? Probably. All right guys, thank you for getting ready with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys like this, I would love to do more of them. I don't have that many places to go, but I'm hoping in the near future that I will. See you guys in the next one.